Traditional search engines deliver links, not direct answers, leading to search overload. We spend hours sifting through websites just to find simple information. What if AI could simply tell you the answer? Meet ChatGPT, an AI chatbot by OpenAI that understands questions and responds like a human. You can use it to write anything from essays to code, explain complex topics simply, and brainstorm ideas on demand. Key features include natural conversations, where it remembers context and chat history, and code generation for Python, JavaScript, and more. It also serves as a learning companion, explaining topics at any complexity level, and adapts to any writing style, formal, casual, or creative. ChatGPT saves hours every day across many professions. Students benefit from learning support and homework guidance. Writers can beat writer's block. Developers get coding assistance and code review, and professionals can draft emails and reports quickly. Ready to try it? Your AI assistant is waiting. Simply visit chat.openai.com, create a free account, and start chatting immediately. No download is needed. You can also upgrade to Plus for faster responses and access to GPT-4. We hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.